down. So you gotta stay connected. Your wall is kind of your friend in this. So it's not like, so if you're with me, the wall, if I'm like this, I'm trying to like, no. You're really strong. Diego, come here. Bring into the wall. Just watch me outside. He's standing to the wall. I can't get off. He's also lower than me. He's doing the right thing. When a person is outside, you want to get lower than them. That's another thing. I don't want to be here. I mean, I can be, but his leg's in between my legs, which is a bad idea. If his leg wasn't in between my leg, back your leg up. If his leg wasn't in between my leg, it'd be easier. Yeah. But because it's between my leg, I can't. I'm not going anywhere. So I want to wrap up. It's called an overhook, and I'm gonna get really deep. Like I'm really shooting it deep. Boom. And then as soon as I get no one get any deeper, I bring it up nice and tight. Now, once I'm here, I need to turn my hips toward the grip hand. So because I know I can't do it from here, so that's what you were experiencing, Abby. So what I do is I step this leg behind his. See that? You feel that contact? Now I have the base to be able to, you see what I mean? That's a little footwork maneuver. Because if I try to do it from here, I can't get it. So I step my leg for base right behind. Like I make that contact where I can like lean on them. And I keep this tight. Tight, tight, tight. Strip the grip. And then immediately I bring it in between me and him. I'm not using my hand. Hands are dumb. I use forearm. Forearm. Hi, everybody. I'm able to do that. Because the beautiful part about this is, the beautiful thing I can just boom. If I'm really in a situation where I'm really needed, boom, boom. But I want to get off the wall. This is great for me, but it's terrible for Diego right now. So, I'm not gonna run my hips. I just need to turn in place. Boom, see how I haven't gone anywhere? Both of you are trying to like run away, but it's not gonna happen. I have to, boom. Now notice how I'm here. I have this choke position now too. Nah, Diego, don't fight it.
No, guy, he's like, fuck.
Now he's in a bad position. Yeah, Diego. Then he puts me back on the wall. Now I'm here. But you see, that's actually how it goes. Yeah. Just give him 30 more seconds, he'll be tired. Yeah. But y'all understand, when you're on the wall, it's not about trying to run. Yeah. It's about boom. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Boom. Get those hips out. See, my feet are turned in one direction. Boom. Now once I'm here, I can begin to back out. Where I have the overhook and I'm able to put my pressure down. All right, back again. Let's go.